becoming a professional at crossing the street already, and I haven't even been in Thailand for a week. For people who haven't been to Asia and don't know what I'm talking about, basically, like, you just need to walk. Like, sometimes there's no crosswalk, sometimes there's no, like, light that's telling you when to go. You just need to, like, go and go with confidence, you know? I feel like in Canada, you kind of wait, or like if someone goes, you like pause to make sure they saw you, and then you know. Here, you just need to go. You need to go confidently. They will keep going, and you'll think that they're gonna hit you at first, but they're actually just going to like swerve around you, and they're adjusting and assuming that you are going to just keep walking in a straight line. Hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am in Chiang Mai, in the north now, to give you some context on a map of where I am. Right here. I got here from a 10-hour train ride from Bangkok. If you haven't watched my Bangkok video, go check it out. I'm making a whole series of all my Asia videos. Got into Chiang Mai last night, and it was actually a Saturday night, and there's a Saturday night market that's right outside of my hostel. Oh, the water sounds and the car sounds. I hope you can hear me. The hostel I'm staying at currently is Hidden Garden Hostel. It's really cute. It's kind of like this like boutique sort of bougie vibe hostel. It's definitely smaller than I thought it would be in the photos, so there's that, but it's okay. It's definitely a more chill hostel, not a party hostel by any means, but that's okay because I feel like I did some partying in Bangkok and I just want to take it easy in Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is known for having some lovely night markets, but other than that, I don't think I'm going to be getting too crazy. Last night, got in, went to a night market, went to bed. Today, I was just out and about walking and exploring the city. Here's what it's like crossing the road in Thailand. Okay, look, this person's slowing. I'm not gonna go just yet. And we're going, 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 and we're going. A lot of people ask me when I travel by myself if it gets lonely or if it's hard to make friends. It's not hard to make friends. However, some days I just want to have like chill time and just be by myself. So that was one of those days today. There's like this main square in Chiang Mai, and so I just took the time to walk around the main square by myself, and then I just kind of like stopped along the way to see temples that I wanted to see and stuff like that. Good day. And now I'm currently gonna walk back to my hostel. I think that I'm gonna try to hang out with some girls from my dorm room tonight just to go to the night market. And then I want to get to bed at a good time because tomorrow I'm actually going to a cooking class. To a cooking class today. They call these like a red collective taxi. I live in the back of the pickup truck. best one. Let me show you my best It's weird because it like hits your ass. Right? I did one bowl. I did all of it, but it's not too spicy. You did too? Okay, I'm back from my cooking class. That was iconic is the only word I can think of. That was just amazing. So basically, I went on a tour with this woman. Basically, I did a cooking class with this woman, and she only does like one class a day, and it's just her who runs it, and it was fantastic. We started off at the market, and we got to like pick local ingredients, and then we went back to her house, and we got to like grab stuff from her garden, and then we spent the rest of the day just like cooking it and eating, like hanging out on her property, and it was so much fun. I definitely recommend it. I will be putting the link to her website in my bio. That's the only way that you can book is just directly on her website, but definitely recommend that for if you're in Chiang Mai. I think for the rest of the night I'm just gonna hang back at my hostel. I am going on another excursion tomorrow. I'm going to see the elephants, so I might just have a chill night, go to another night market, and then come home and get some rest. Today, I'm gonna go see elephants. Quick dorm tour before I go is my dorm. It's a lot tinier than in the photos. I'm staying right here. I love that I've gotten bottom bunks both days. Locker here. It's cute. It's aesthetic, it's vibey. It's just tiny. Like, we are all crammed in here, bags on the floor. It's got a shelf and a plug and a light and hooks. So you know what? It gets the job done. Favorite rooftop hangout. I really like this hostel. I feel like it was close to everything that you needed. Like there was a 7-Eleven right across the street. There was the market right like 1 minute walk from the hostel, and that was open every day. Chiang Mai is known for having a lot of night markets like all over the city, and different ones are open on different days. But the one by our hostel, big ones on Saturday, but they have stuff going every single night. So it's super easy if you're like tired after being out all day and you just want to grab food, literally right there. So convenient. So today, here's the plan. Going from Chiang Mai to Pai. I'm going to be taking a bus, and it's about 3 hours from Chiang Mai to Pai. I'm really excited because the hostel I'm staying at in Pai is called Nolo Hub, and I overheard some people in my hostel talking about how much they loved it. So I feel like that means it's probably gonna be a good hostel. I'm gonna call Grab in a moment. Grab is like the Uber in Asia to get me to the bus stop, and then I'm gonna be on my bus to Pai. So I'll see you there.